Alright, I'm back. Got the bead breaker. All the rubber mats on the floor getting all pounded over here. They're in my way now. At this point they're in my way, they're not helping me. So, let's get everything out of the way. That goes bye-bye. Let's just slip on everything. This one here gonna go bye-bye. The airline's in the way. It needs to go bye-bye. It's wrapped around the camera, stay on the course. Why wouldn't it be? To get all the crap out of your way so you got room to work. Now at this point I should take the whole damn thing off and start over because it'd probably go right on. But now I'm going to fight with it a little bit more. I'm up for a good fight. What we're going to do is we're going to take the bead breaker, we're going to compress this thing down and break the bead. When we do that, the reel will go that way, this will leave the pressure and be able to put it on. That's how it works. Let's see if it works. Because right now nothing's working. So, right in the middle. Let's pop the bead. It's not popping very well. Turn it out this way. That went on pretty easy there. Need to get this underneath here. There we go. So that's still a weapon to get me, so. Okay. One more tool in the way. Make sure the tube is not being in there. It is close to being getting, but it's not there yet. When things are fighting you this bad, this is when you pinch tubes also. Okay, that didn't work very well. This will go in there. Nope, can't use it. Starting to buckle the tire also. Okay, get the big one in here. Lost that one. Alright, we'll keep losing more shit. What the hell? Crap in my way. Right back about where we started at. Bead went around. Nope. We lost too much pressure. Okay. Alright. What are we doing here? This bead's folded up in the rim. We'll go down. See, that goes down. Problem is it needs to go this way. There's no pressure to make it go that way right now. When I let up on pressure, it pops back up again. Try this again. There's the valve stem out. Valve stem's over here. down. That one goes up. It's way too deep. That bead needs to pump up. If this would pop up, it'd go right in. This would slide over, tension would come off, it goes one more, if I go one more position, it'll go in all the way. I'm 3/4 on right now, but it's all muscle right now. It's tearing up everything doing it this way. Got no way of compressing this bead. Fell out, I think. Maybe not. Hear that pop? That's pressure. Now the bead's down where it needs to be. There's a gap right there right now. There's a gap right here. Right now it's pooched inside like it's supposed to be. I should be able to go around the rest of the way now. There we go. Tearing the tire up though. There's a lot of pressure on it. Get this one out of here. That went in there big time that time. There's a big gap in here now. There's a good gap on here. That means the pressure is coming off of here. This side here is tearing the beads to get over this side where it's not. Put it on. Boop. That one. Over here. Out of there. One more. That's what you hit with a hammer. Should pop in the rest of the way. We'll see. Should, but not going. Nope. Too much pressure. All right, get out of there. Feed it around. There's a lot of pressure on that valve stem right now. All right, it's on. Did it pinch the tube or not? Without much fighting and using, very easy to pinch that tube. I don't think I did, but I never think I did when I did. Let's see if it holds air. It's holding air. See if it's a bead of pop under 100 pounds. 75. 94. 95 pounds on that right now. Neither side's going. What a shocker, don't want to go. Snap the piss out of it. Pop it a little bit. Do the same on this side. Try it again. 95 pounds, a lot of air pressure. Keep going. 22. 45 pounds. No pinches. See, if you know the procedures that you have to do to put the tire on it, you know what to do, even though it's fighting the piss out of you. You know what you can get away with and not do. I also did not bend the rim, even though I was putting a ton of pressure on that bead. I know the limitation of how much pressure you can put on it. So, I didn't do too bad. Okay, so no leaks so far. Let me go ahead and put the valve stem in there. Valve core. It's a good time to check to make sure you got the tire on correctly. Yeah, no arrow. Should be going that way. There it is, going that way. Alright, I did it correctly. So put 35 pounds air in this. I run 32 to 35. See, this is a dyna glide, so 32 is all you need. Put a little spit across the stem. If it doesn't make a bubble right there, it's good. No bubble. Pull off the snot. Put your valve stem cap on there. It's very important. It keeps the water and shit out of the stem there so it doesn't corrode it. So put them on your bikes. It actually does something. And you got to tighten up the nut down there maybe if you want to. You don't have to tighten the nut if you don't want to. On my race bike I leave it loose on purpose. Don't put much torque on it. It doesn't really do anything. Alright. Tire lost, I won. What a pain in the butt though. So, you know, you follow all the procedures, it all works. Okay, now I gotta see about balancing. That's hard to do too. Now you can either balance it like this, or you can balance it after you put all the junk on it. Obviously, when all the junk's on it, it's more important for balancing. So I can either do it before or after I put all the junk on it. So that's a toss-up. Right now I don't have all the parts, so I'll probably just balance it right now. So I'm gonna see if I can find the my balancing stuff. Yeah, we'll see. I'll be back.